Hey guys, I'm waiting on a meal for from the chef. He's gonna bring me a meal and stuff. Oh, hey George. Hey, here he is. Hey man, what's up?
Sorry to say, budget cuts.
What the fuck is this, dude?
That's we're building a wall now.
Property of U.S. property government what? All right, man. Well, have a good one.
Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. We are replacing the snap rings. They cost us thousands and thousands of dollars in water damage because they just pop loose. And they go on a fill hose for a Kenmore. So we're replacing them with actual hose clamps, stainless steel. And Terry is going to demonstrate how to open one of these Kenmore stackables. Go ahead, Terry.
Take this corner, pull it up. Take this corner, somewhat pull it up, and there you go.
Yeah, be careful. You can break those plastic clips. And then there's gonna be a wire there. And then you can lift it right up. And what we're trying to get to on these Kenmores, I should have probably turned on my light, shouldn't I? Unless you got your phone, but anyway, I don't think I can be able to see it, but see, there's where, yeah, you can barely see it. Hose clamp right there. That thing pops off, causes flood. We're on the 3rd floor right now, and it is not something you want to deal with, right, Terry?
That's right.
That's right, man. It is. It just keeps filling and filling and filling and will not stop, and it's like having a garden hose up here. And sometimes these people go to sleep and do this crap, but we're gonna replace it right now. All right, so we're back. The ring back here. I don't know how much I'll be able to see without me getting into Terry's way over here. But straighten up that ring. And obviously it's just like a, it's kind of like a radiator hose. Not too big of a deal. What do you think the fastest is when we did? I mean, I'm not saying go fast, but
6 minutes, 5 minutes.
maybe even 3 minutes in some cases when the hose just falls right off.
This is the ring that we're removing, though.
Yeah, and the easiest way to do it is just to, pull it back and then pull it forward. There ain't no reason to squish it again. It comes right off. I'm gonna take me ring over here and help Terry out and get him another one. There you go, sir. Trying to hold a light for you. It helps with light, don't it?
Yeah, big difference.
Yeah, we should have brought. I should have, when I went down to go get those clamps, I should have got my clip light. I'm just afraid it'll fall down. There's light coming out from my light washer. Oh, it's a night light built in. Kenmore makes it. Then we'll be replacing batteries in something that we dropped down. So yeah, just tighten that hose clamp on there. And everything is basically reversed from this point on. Really is. Make sure it's tight. So if y'all have one of these, go ahead and y'all might want to do this. And don't forget to hook the damn door switch back up. You're going to have problems. It's going to be reverse. So reverse of everything, just get up on it, pull it back, push it in, pull it back, push it in, there you go, done. That is how you put the little hose clamp on the Kenmores, because you're going to want to do that. And the reason why, I didn't explain this before, but when this wobbles back and forth like this, that hose is connected to that. So it's going to rip it off, and then bam, you're going to have flooding everywhere in your apartment complex or in your house if you have these in your house. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Me and Terry just going around doing our own little recall.